Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to share with you another platform that is paying. Yes, this one is paying, guys. I've been on this platform since last year, but I haven't gone there for like 5 or 6 months. Then I checked my email, saw a notification from them, logged in, boom, the platform has started making money. And you see, this is $6.32. And I also checked that a good number of you who joined us before now, those that signed up using my referral link, has also earned some money from this platform, guys. I said, why not review it here again? When I share platforms, you ask me, have you made money? Then I go and make money. And after a while, I come back for my personal review. So this is my personal review about this platform. Because YouTube has been removing my videos and people's videos lately, I'm going to be discreet. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not forcing you to sign up. Okay, I'm only showing you my personal experience, my personal review from this platform and how much I've earned. And also telling you that you can earn some money. It is not going to pay your rent. It is not going to turn into your 9 to 5, but it's going to be something on the side for you. And when I go into the platform properly, you can see what the platform is all about. Because I'm just trying to mind what I say on camera, okay? I don't want them deleting my videos. So if you want to earn something on the side, you want to watch this video, share it with someone. I'm surprised to see that I have started earning some money from it, even without doing much. There are a lot of things I can do on this platform to earn money. I can play games, I can read emails, I can, you know, complete so many tasks to earn. I can refer people. Yeah, I have not done other things. It's only my referral bonus and my sign up bonus and a few emails that I've read that paid me this. So if you're interested, watch till the end, share it with someone, drop me a comment, let me know your thoughts. If you want more of these side hustles videos or more of remote job videos, okay? And if you're new, subscribe, please subscribe to support the channel. Like this video as you're watching, you're liking, and let's dive in. This is the platform here called paid to read email. So they send emails to your inbox. You click on the emails and just open it. That's all. And you get paid. Then you can earn from referral bonuses. Look, I've referred 16 people. And then let me shock you. Out of these 16 people that I've referred, they are from different countries. They have also referred people. That's what's amazing about this platform. As they are referring people, you are going to keep earning. This person referred 214 people. Someone I referred, just 15 of them. One of them has 214 referrals and he earned this 20 cents while I earned 60 cents. You see, this is lifetime. As he keeps referring and as he keeps earning from his referrals, I will also continue to earn from his referrals. This person has gotten 35 referrals. Look at what I was paid. This person has 42 and I got 18. This person has referred 159 people. This is amazing. So the higher your referrals, if the person you referred gained more referrals, you also get paid. It says you are invited to participate in the new referral contest effective between January 1st, which is this year, to 31st, to promote this site where the winner will be eligible to earn 3 times. Top 2 to 5 members will earn 2 times. And one times their referral earnings for eligible new referrals. If you join this platform today, you'll be eligible for this, participate in this referral contest where you earn 2 to 3 times higher of your original earnings. And these are the people, their country, but they are no longer active. Cote d'Ivoire, Nigeria, Ghana, United States, South Africa. So this is available worldwide. Wherever you are, you can absolutely sign up for this. Let me say this quickly, guys. Let me say this quickly, besties. The problem I have with you guys is that you sign up to platforms and you abandon it. You still come back to the comment section to bully me, to tell me that it doesn't work. It doesn't work. How much have you earned? Have you cashed out? Meanwhile, you are not active. Tell me how you're going to verify if this platform works if you're not active on the platform. Please be active. Be active. $6, $12, $15 is something, depending on your location. If you're in Nigeria and you earn $15, that's like 20 something thousand naira. I keep saying this. I don't take these things for granted. Okay. If you sign up using my referral in the link below, you're going to earn $3 bonus. Okay, that's the sign up bonus if you use the link in the description to sign up today. But it doesn't end there. You have to be active. Okay, so let's finish this. Look at all of them. It's available worldwide, right? If Nigeria and Ghana are here, that means it's available worldwide, but they are not active, and it hurts. It hurts me that you guys are not active. So this is my referral link. I will leave it in the description. The more active your referrals are, the more you earn. Earn 15% commission when your referrals complete surveys and offers. Earn a sign-up bonus of 50 cents for each referral that becomes active. Earn an extra $2 bonus when your referrals request their first payment. Imagine if you're active now, at least I'll earn 15% commission. Then if you sign up, I'll also get this 50p. I'll also get this 50 cents bonus. If you then withdraw your first payment, I'll also get $2. And if people you're referring also do the same thing, you earn. And look, you can complete lots of surveys. Those that time box are giving limited surveys, you can obviously get a lot of surveys from this one. Look, 75 cents, 75 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents. You can complete surveys on this one to earn. Okay, I'm just showing you things you can do. And then for the main one that brought us here is for this paid email. Paid email. You see, these are the ones I received. I haven't received two today. All you have to do is to click on it like this. I've already confirmed reading this one. Okay, you click on it, it will open, and then it says confirm reading this email. You tap on it and it opens. That's it. That is it. Okay, there are so many surveys you can complete on this platform. I'm not even kidding, guys. Just open the email. You're not reading it. This will be sent to your email address. It will also be here on your dashboard. You can find it here. It will be here on your inbox here. Just click on your inbox. You see the emails. Just tap on them to open and you'll be credited. You obviously have lots of offers. There are free offers, survey offers for you, and so many other things you can do here. These are the survey offers you get, loads and loads and loads of offers. You can also view more in a new window. If you don't have a job, check it out. Nielsen Digital Voice. I already have this one, and if I tell you how much I've made, over £100 on the mobile app and over £100 on the computer one or on the Windows app. So I actually have it on Windows and on my mobile app. Basically, it's specifically for people in the UK, but if you still want me to show you that one on my next video, I'll show you. There are so many surveys here for you to complete. Surveys, you see, loads and loads of surveys every day, every minute to complete. It's unlimited. For points, you earn points, redeem them for great prizes. To cash out on this platform, you can cash out either via PayPal, gift card, and more options for you. So when you complete these rewards, you usually be rewarded by points, and then you can redeem your points here for cash. Then it will be converted to cash that you can withdraw. And for withdrawal method, let me tell you, you need to make at least $15 to request for your payment. It's that simple. This is gonna be your sign-up bonus, $3. These are the emails I've read so far. I haven't completed any offers, no surveys, no shopping, nothing. Just request for your payment like so. If you make up to $15, your payment method will be visible for you to withdraw. And I thought to share this with someone. I don't know who needs this. Let me not forget, make sure that your profile is complete. So for your profile, you need to complete your profile with your real name and your last name, your email address, your city, your location. I don't know why mine automatically put me to wherever it put me, but yeah, I selected non-US or Canada. But I see people putting their exact country. They're like Nigeria and Ghana. I don't know how it happened with me. So I only put non-US or Canada, meaning I'm outside the US. For postal code, you put it automatically put me as United States of America, which is good. I don't mind, but even though I'm not there, then you put your phone number, your payment info. Mine is PayPal. It's here. I had to clear it to show you guys. And this is my paid email rate so far. Any email I read, I get paid 5 cents so far. So the higher your paid email rate, the faster your guaranteed paid email will become equal to 0. This is it. You can always update the paid email rate and make sure you set a reminder or a notification so that you'll always get email notifications to your inbox. That's to your email address. Then you click and open, and that's it, guys. That's it. I believe this video is self-explanatory. Watch it. The link will be in the description. Don't want to mention the name of the platform too much so that it does not attract YouTube to remove my videos anymore. But the link will be in the description. But if it is for payment, it pays. Go and try it out. It accepts people from all locations. That's one of the things that I love about this platform. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, okay? Share it with someone. Share it in your WhatsApp status, because anyone that joins, you're going to get paid. And if they refer other people, you also continue to earn like that. It's like a pyramid. So let me know your thoughts. If you want more videos like this or more of remote job, let me know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.